Welcome to the world of comfort and elegance. Today we take you to the ride of world's finest car interiors.
We offer premium quality car interiors which is just mesmerizing your eyes. Look at the stitching and the feel of the car seat covers. The cushioning details are just amazing. Look at the door panels which we have done with the hydrographic and the stitching on the panel. The door visor and the string attached to the thing and the carrier of the car. The tail light is the premium quality. Look at the headlights and the footrest. Now we show you 360-degree cameras. When you are on the parking light, you get the view. When you switch off the parking light, you get the front view and the top view. When you switch on the left indicator, you will get the left side of the car view and the top view. Similarly to the right side, you get the right side view. Each and every fittings are superior and premium quality. The quality is never compromised here. Each and every interior, the steering cover and the seat cover, each and every stitching and each and every detail is done minutely with the automatic machine and our skilled labor job. The cushions kept on the back side of the seats are just amazing. Each and every detail, the color combination and everything is taken care of